Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to refer a friend to Capital One. Referring a friend to Capital One is simple and rewarding. Start by visiting the Capital One Refer a Friend page and sign in with your Capital One credentials. Once logged in, you see your personalized referral link, which tracks all referrals from your account. Copy this link and share it with friends via email, text, or social media, making sure to use your link when applying. Once your friend applies and is approved for a Capital One credit card, you'll earn a referral bonus. The bonus varies by card. For the Capital One Venture X rewards, you can earn up to 25,000 miles per referral with a 100,000 mile annual limit. The Venture Rewards card offers 20,000 miles per referral, capped at 50,000 miles annually. The Quicksilver and Saver Cash Reward cards provides to $150 per referral with a 500 yearly cap, and Capital One Spark Business Cards offers to $200 per referral with annual limits depending on the card. Sharing your link is quick and easy and a great way to boost your reward. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.